It's strange how silence can say more than words. Out here, the world stops spinning. And for the first time in a long time, I actually hear myself. I used to think comfort came from ease, but sometimes it comes from struggle. We spend so much time looking behind us, but out here, it's the horizon that matters. It's where I leave the noise behind. Out here, I write not to remember, but to understand.
Whenever you try to create AI videos, you already know the biggest problem: character inconsistency. In one scene, your character has a beard. Next scene, he's missing it. Or the face shape changes. Or the lighting suddenly breaks the vibe. That's why in this video, I'm showing you how I create seamless, cinematic AI films, where the character stays consistent across every scene, using Google VEO 3. I'll walk through how to design a realistic cinematic character, lock consistency for each scene, build matching environments with cinematic variation, animate every shot using VEO 3 with motion and storytelling. And by the end, you'll know exactly how to make AI-generated films that actually feel human, cinematic, and emotionally cohesive. Let's start by building our main character. I'm using Google Whisk, a free tool that lets you generate consistent, photorealistic characters using natural language prompts and adjustable seeds. Now let me show you exactly how to use Google Whisk. This is what the interface looks like. On the left side, you'll see three main blocks. Subject. This is where you describe your main character. You can either write a text prompt or upload a reference image. Scene. This is where you describe the environment or background, like a forest trail, mountain cliff, or riverside. Style. This is optional, but it lets you apply an overall aesthetic, like cinematic or magazine-style looks. Here's the exact prompt I used for my main character. A young, handsome man in his late 20s, with a well-groomed medium beard and defined jawline. He has expressive hazel eyes, short dark brown hair styled casually, and a warm, confident smile. His skin tone is light brown with natural texture. He wears an olive green outdoor jacket over a plain white shirt and light hiking pants. A small leather strap bracelet on his wrist adds detail. His face is clearly visible, with soft, natural lighting and direct eye contact. Photographed in a realistic style, DSLR clarity, 8K resolution, cinematic soft shadows, and depth of field. Calm and composed expression. After you add subject and scene, you kind of get an idea of the overall scene. So now let's start generating our images. Paste your main character's prompt in this prompt box. Now here's the most important part. To make your character stay consistent across multiple images, you need to lock the seed. Click this little gear icon next to the generate button, and you'll see the option to lock a seed and also choose the model. Lock the seed and choose the best quality. Alright, so we've got our consistent main character. Same facial features, same outfit, same vibe. Now let's talk about building scenes around him that feel cinematic and coherent. This is where Whisk really shines. Because once you've locked your character, you can drop him into any environment and still keep that character consistency intact, as long as the lighting and style stay close. Let me walk you through the exact Whisk prompt I used for my scene. You'll notice I kept the tone, colors, and lighting fairly consistent across all of them, but changed up the composition and activity in each shot. The man stands confidently at the edge of a high cliff, overlooking misty green mountains below. A soft breeze moves his jacket slightly. The sky is overcast but glowing, with scattered light beams breaking through the clouds. Tall grass surrounds the cliff edge. This is my opening wide shot. It sets the scale, introduces the character's solitude, and gives that emotional high ground vibe. He walks along a narrow forest path surrounded by tall pine trees and dense green undergrowth. Ferns and moss cover the forest floor. Dappled light filters through the canopy above, creating soft shadows and a peaceful atmosphere. Sitting on a rock beside a crystal-clear stream, he gazes into the flowing water. One hand touches the cool surface, while his face reflects calmness. The background shows layered forest and hills in soft focus. He leans with his back against a thick tree trunk, one leg bent up on a rock, the other relaxed. Light breaks through the leaves, casting natural patterns on his face and clothes. He looks slightly upward, thoughtful. A wide cinematic shot of the man standing in a lush green valley with towering mountains on either side. The camera is positioned low, making him appear powerful and small within the grand scenery. His face remains visible as he looks toward the camera. You can add as many scenes as you can. Now, a couple of things here. If you get inconsistent images, what you can do is just take the main character description and use it at the start of each scene prompt, and you'll get best results. So by this point, we've generated a series of consistent cinematic images using Whisk, each one planned like a real movie frame. But before animating them in Google Flow, there's one step I always recommend. I take those stills and bring them into ChatGPT. Why? Because this helps you go from isolated images to a narrative flow, with matching image-to-video prompts, camera movement directions, and even story voiceover lines that bring emotional clarity to your film. I uploaded all 10 of my Whisk images into ChatGPT, just dropped them one by one and said, I'm creating a short cinematic film. Give me a custom image-to-video animation prompt for each frame, including camera motion, lighting, and subtle character/environment movement, and also give me a short narration line that fits the mood. ChatGPT then analyzed the images and returned a full storyboard of prompts. It did this for every scene, giving me exactly the kind of prompts I could paste directly into Flow's animation tool. This step does three things. It saves creative time. It ensures each scene has a cohesive tone and movement, and it creates a voiceover script you can reuse later in 11 Labs. Once I had the video prompts and story narration, I moved over to Google Flow to actually animate each shot. Animating these stills with cinematic motion using Google VEO 3 inside Flow. First, make sure all your Whisk-generated images are exported in high quality. You'll need them saved as individual files, ideally labeled by scene. These will become the foundation for your animation. Google recently integrated image-to-video with full audio support into Flow, its new AI filmmaking platform. Powered by VEO 3, this tool lets pro and ultra users create cinematic clips, complete with motion, ambiance, sound effects, and even speech, from single frames, all in just a few seconds. Today, we'll use Flow's frames-to-video mode with the VEO 3 Fast model, optimized for speed and cost, so you can animate your Whisk-generated shots efficiently and bring your film to life. First, open Flow and select Frames to Video. Upload the Whisk image you want to animate. Then, choose the VEO 3 Fast model. This gives you fast results at a lower credit cost while still supporting native audio. Now, enter a clear, concise prompt. Describe both the camera movement and sound design. Here's an example for our valley shot with a fast drone pullout. A rugged young man with a short beard and olive jacket sits by a cold mountain river. He slowly reaches down and gently stirs the water with his fingers. The water ripples softly. The camera starts at a side angle, then slowly tilts upward as he lifts his head and gazes across the stream. Subtle breeze moves his hair and jacket. Natural overcast lighting with misty forest in the background. Hit generate, and Flow will produce an 8-second clip with synchronized visuals and audio. If something feels off, tweak your prompt. Maybe the camera move was too slow, or you need more wind ambiance, and rerun with minimal changes. So do this one by one. I'll just show you the prompts I used for a couple more scenes. The man squats beside a flickering campfire, striking sparks with flint. As the flame catches, the camera begins with a static ground-level frame, then pans slightly right and slowly pushes in toward his face. Embers rise toward the lens, and warm light dances on his skin. Jacket fabric shifts gently in the wind. Depth of field is shallow. Background forest blurred. And the next one? Standing on a sunlit mountain ridge, the man looks out into the glowing horizon. The camera slides sideways as the character walks forward, then orbits right around him in a semicircle, while the golden hour sun backlights his figure. His jacket flutters slightly in the breeze, and distant clouds move across the sky. Warm cinematic lighting with natural lens flare. Next one is sitting on a rocky ledge. The man holds a steaming mug in both hands. The camera starts mid-level at an angle, then zooms in slowly while gently tilting upward toward his smiling face. Steam curls in the cold air. His eyes wander the horizon. Subtle fog rolls behind him. Natural, soft morning light. Now that we have our full story narration, we'll bring it to life with AI voices. I'm using 11 Labs because it gives you natural cinematic voiceovers that sound almost human. Just paste the narration we created with ChatGPT, pick a voice that fits the tone. I usually go with something warm and storytelling, and click Generate
The stillness
Voice.
of the evening was pure. The stillness of
With our animated clips and voiceover ready, it's time to stitch everything together. I import all the flow videos into CapCut, drag the voiceover clips under the right scenes, and adjust the timing so every camera movement matches the narration beat. Finally, I add background music, tweak transitions, and export the final short film in 1080p or 4K for that cinematic finish. And if you're ready to take your AI videos to the next level, grab my full Google VEO 3 prompt guide below. It's packed with tested prompt structures, cinematic camera moves, and viral video scene blueprints that'll help you create more consistent, more emotional, and more viral content. Links in the description.
It's strange how silence can say more than words. Out here, the world stops spinning. And for the first time in a long time, I actually hear myself. I used to think comfort came from ease, but sometimes it comes from struggle. We spend so much time looking behind us, but out here, it's the horizon that matters. It's where I leave the noise behind. Out here, I write not to remember, but to understand. You don't need much. A warm drink, cold air, and a view that reminds you how small you are and how okay that feels. With every step, the path feels less uncertain. Maybe I'm not lost. Maybe I just haven't arrived yet. Sometimes you have to go far just to see yourself clearly.